everyone, Matt here with Proper Auto Detailing and Reconditioning, based out of Troy, Illinois, and servicing the St. Louis area. Today we'll be talking about paint correction using this junkyard hood. Props to A-Rod's Auto Body in Collinsville, Illinois, for donating the hood to us. Today we'll be showing you the difference between paint correction, decontamination, polishing, compounding, and possibly even wet sanding. So we do a 50-50 shot, showing before, after, and then we'll even apply some ceramic coating so you can see the hydrophobic properties and really protect that gloss. So let's get going. First thing we're going to do, now that I have it taped down, is I'm going to wash out the hood using our dry wash. Of course, I'll post links to the items that I use in the description down below. We'll wash it, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to decontaminate it using the clay bar treatment. And we'll go through the compound and polish. Alright, I've already gone through and cleaned the hood. Believe it or not, this is a clean hood. Using our isopropyl alcohol, we're not picking up any dirt. But as you can see, there's still fallout, contaminants, and bird poop baked into the hood. So our next step is going to be to use our clay bar and decontaminate this side of the hood. So first off, we're going to grab our bar of clay and our clay luber, which is O&R, mixed to the proper, get it? The proper dilution ratios. Now what I like to do is take a pair of scissors, cut your clay bar in half. This will help you maximize and get another car with the same block of clay, saving you a little bit of money. So first off, we'll unwrap the clay. Alright, now when you're claying it, you want to make nice even strokes across the hood. Across the paint, sorry. And you just want to keep going until you can't, until that traction, you don't feel that friction and it just gliding smooth across the hood. So now that we've gotten done cleaning the hood, you can already see a difference between the gloss and the shine on this side. Now this is a body shop hood donated to us for free, so this hood will never be perfect again. You can see there's still scratches and blemishes, acid etching from bird droppings. So it won't be perfect again, but for demonstration purposes, you can already see the difference. Not only that, you can hear the difference. You can hear the grit and the sandpaperness versus very little. Just my hood, my hand grabbing. And you can see the difference of what the clay bar already picked up. So next thing we'll do is throw that away. What we have here is our gloss meter. This gives you a reading from 0 to 100, just like a grading scale at school. It shows you the gloss units between different sides. So putting this here, we're getting about an 83, down to 78, 54 even. Just going to the clayed side, we're already getting 89, 90. So, in terms of gloss readings, 90, we're already getting an A. But after we do the compounding and paint correction and polishing, we'll probably be able to get this to a 93, 94, and then with the ceramic coating, maybe a little bit higher. So let's next get to the compounding, and I'll show you the difference. Alright, first off, we're going to do our compounding using our MEGUIAR'S cutting discs. So I've already have one applied to the polisher, added my compound. We're going to use MEGUIAR'S Ultra Cut compound. So we'll add a little bit evenly across the pad. And let's get to work using a crosshatch pattern, up and down and back to front. Doing probably about an 8x8 or 12x12 each time. So you want to start slow, spread it around. And then once it's spread out, take it into high gear. Now using our quick detail spray, we'll wipe down the excess compound. So we've already taken our first pass using MEGUIAR'S Ultra Cut compound, the 105, and the cutting pad. So now you can see, and I decided to mark this down, we're fluctuating about 88, 88.2, 0.3 on the glossometer. So next we're going to take our ultra finishing polish and try to bring out more of that gloss level. Now one more thing, this hood is a plastic hood. Ideally I'd want to take measurements beforehand so you know that you actually have paint to correct, because what this does is it actually just kind of grinds off a small surface and then smooths it out to make it a reflective, shiny surface. So because I don't know the actual measurements of this hood, you don't want to be too aggressive. I'll switch things up, put on our Rupes yellow pad, apply our polish, and see how much more shine we can bring back. Now remember just to spread the polish around so you don't get the spillover. Put on a low speed, and then crank it up. Quick detail spray, green microfiber cloth, and wipe it down. Now just remember, when you did the decontamination with the clay bar, you did remove any wax. So now you have a bare surface, so you want to be very gentle in your wiping down so you don't cause the scratches to come back that you just took out. So now that we wiped it down, let's take a look what our glossometer's reading is. That's pretty good. So this section right here has been properly compounded and polished, bringing the gloss reading back up about 7-8 points, which is pretty good. We're back in A+ territory. So now I'm going to do the rest of this hood and then get down to the ceramic coating. So now that we've decontaminated, compounded, and polished the hood, what a difference it really makes. We've really restored more gloss and shine back to this hot side, and what a difference it makes. As I mentioned before, this is a clean hood. This is just all contaminated, baked into the paint. Now this hood wasn't that bad to begin with in terms of swirls and scratching, and as you can tell from the glossometer, it was still reading pretty good except for some of those bad spots. As I mentioned before, this hood will never be perfect again, but you could really still restore that shine and glimmer back into the paint. So that's it for this video. Next video, I'll show you about ceramic coating, talk to you about that, show you how I apply it, and you'll really be able to see a difference between what before and after part of the hood can be. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, please comment below, and please like and subscribe to the channel, where I'll be posting more videos to help you become a more effective business owner and auto detailing and reconditioning specialist. From Matt here, have a good one.